Bullish estimates for how much Algorand will cost in 2030 run from 76 cents to 1.44 cents. Experts in the market agree that a LGO could be worth 59 cents by 2025. Bearish: the price of Algorand on the market is expected to be 13 cents in 2023. Algorand presentation: since its start in 2019, the Algorand digital money have had trouble rising above their ICO value. When the blockchain and COI banks worked together to improve El Salvador's digital currency system, the price of a LGO went up in September 2021. However, it has since lost most of these gains. Cost estimating websites are hopeful that it will return to similar amounts one day. What's next for the altcoin? Then we should look at the action of the blockchain algorithm in more depth and look at how its price has changed. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain hopes to solve the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization by using a LGO as its local money algorithm. It does this by making and approving blocks through a process called unadulterated proof of stake. How much Algo does a customer? How randomly the block chief and approval group are chosen depends on how much people bet. Algorand was created by Professor Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the United States in 2017. Its blockchain and local currency came out in June 2019. The Algo coin price in a flash fill a day after presentation and first examination in June 2019, Algo sent out its underlying coin with a price tag of $2.40. On the first day of trading, June 22, the price fell to $2.16. This was just the beginning, as the price continued to drop over the next few months, reaching a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. Different things led to this crash. The first was the 10 billion symbolic shares that would be sold slowly. Algorand said that 3 billion LGO will be sold at public closeout during the first 5 years after the organization was founded. Despite the high level of public premium, the market couldn't handle the large amount of a LGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. The price of Algo's currency went up after it was added to Coinbase. According to Algo, it was one of the fastest rises on the platform, and when the news came out, the price had gone up about 30 cents in the following year and a half. Algo tried to get past the 50 cents edge and do better than its base price. Despite a few upticks, the money started to move in a bullish direction at the beginning of 2021. Throughout the year, the token backed this growth in the long run, which reached a long-term high of 1.71 cents, similar to the previous price drop of the LGO. Stablecoin interest was the first stablecoin to combine the reliability of government money with the independence of digital currencies. Algorand has become a serious choice for stablecoin backers because Ethereum has high gas costs. This is thanks to a joint effort between the momentary currency and the stablecoin community. Algorand was also a standout in the market exchange platform Instamatch worldwide. Algorand worked with Milio transactions. Valued at 16 cents USD, Algo has changed 5.56% as of right now, and there have been 58,963,256 trades. At the moment, Algorand is the 41st most valuable digital currency, with a market price of $1,185,712,319 US. Using the above graph's overall strength list, moving weighted normal Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, we can use cost designs for Algorand to decide if it's going to be a good or bad year. Our cost expectation numbers use a continuous algorithm. Market information and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. From some points of view, Algorand is one of the most impressive digital currencies to rise this year. The Algo price forecast for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly up to 25 cents. As with other digital currencies, the rise will be slow, but there won't be any big drops. An average price of 23 cents is very high, but it's possible soon, given expected coordinated efforts. Algo and Algo price forecast for 2024 has a lot of room for growth because many new companies and projects are likely to be announced. We think the price of a LGO will soon go above 42 cents, but we should wait to see if the Algo's overall strength list comes out of the oversold zone before putting down any bullish bets. Bets that take the market turbulence algorithm into account will trade at a base exchange rate of 33 cents and an average exchange rate of 37 cents. Algorithm value estimate for 2025 if the pattern keeps going up and down until 2025. It could go up to 59 cents, and if the market has a decay, a LGO could make money from it. The goal might not be reached. In 2025, Algo is expected to trade for an average of 54 cents and a minimum of 50 cents. Algorand value assumption for 2026, if the Algorand works well, the price of an Algo coin could stay the same for the next 5 years, according to our predictions. In 2026, Algo will be green. In 2026, the algorithm is expected to hit and beat its all-time high. In 2026, a unit of virtual currency will be worth 76 cents, with a starting price of 67 cents and an average price of 71 cents. Algorand expected value in 2027, after looking at a lot of Guanjing and doing some specialized research, we think the Algo cost is likely to go over 88 cents by 2027. With an average price of 84 cents expected by the end of the year also, Algo's highest possible value is 93 cents. We think that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price to around $1.05, and if LGO can break the safe level in 2028, the highest price could be $1.10. If a LGO doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, it could be fined as little as $1.02. Algorand value forecast for 2029. The LGO is working to make it easier for organizations to work together. The bullish trend from last year is expected to continue, so the base exchange rate has been set at $1.19 and the annual rate will be close to $1.27 in 2029. Algorand value estimate 2030 by 2030, algorithm will finally do better than its past ADH values and record new costs. The law says that the base price could be $1.36 and that the highest price could be $1.44, for an average of $1.30.